Alright everybody, here's some electric universe imagery that the ancients saw in the sky. This is how they portrayed it artistically, sculpted it into these designs as gods. Now, how did they go from this to drawing them onto clay tablets and on walls when obviously this doesn't look exactly the same? Well, people polymorphize stuff. That's how. Now, people didn't see Jesus in their pancake. People didn't see angels in the sky. People didn't see Jesus in the clouds. And people didn't see Jesus in this log stump. But yet, at the same time, they did because they polymorphized these things. Well, guess what? The people in the past did the exact same thing. So when they saw this in the sky, just like everybody in the planet did, they tried to polymorphize it and turn it into gods and deities, etc., etc.